So guys, as you can see these current withdrawals right here, these are withdrawals that I made from this exclusive website I'm about to share with you guys. So make sure you stick with me throughout this video because I'm about to show you step by step on how to make money from this website. Okay guys, so without wasting my time, let's get right into this video. But before that, make sure you have hit the subscribe button down below, and also don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you won't miss any important updates I post on this channel. Alright guys, so this cloud mining website basically helps you mine Dogecoin for free. And talking about the website's name, this website is called DOGECOIN Cloud Mining Company. I'll be leaving the website's link in the video description. Check out the video description. You're gonna be seeing this website link right there. And when you tap on the link, you're gonna be seeing this interface right here. Okay guys, so as you can see right here, the website has over 34k users who are actually mining and earning from the website. And another thing is it just launched few days ago. Okay guys, so they give free 500 mining power to new users to start mining without deposit. Okay guys, so all you need to sign up to this website is your Dogecoin wallet address. So you want to go ahead and copy your Dogecoin wallet address, and you're going to come to this section right here where it says your Dogecoin wallet address, and you're going to copy the Dogecoin wallet address right there. And all you have to do now is click on the start now, and this website will be giving you a free account right here. And as you can see right here, my mining just started automatically right here. So this means we are basically using a free plan of this website. Okay guys, so when you come down here, as you can see my profits right here, I'm gonna be getting 0.35 Doge daily. And as you can see here, monthly will be 10.56 Doge. Okay guys, so this is pretty a lot without any investment. This is a lot. Okay guys, so when you want to make more money on this website, as you can see right here, I've put an option right here which says reinvest from internal balance. Okay guys, so you can reinvest from the free plan they actually gave you. Okay guys, so every 24 hours your balance is gonna be what updated. Okay guys, so when you get some funds inside your internal balance, you just have to tap on the reinvest button right here. As you can see my balance right there, I'm gonna reinvest what I have right here. As you can see right here, they said what reinvested. Okay guys, so that's how you're gonna be doing this, and your money is gonna be fast than ever. As you can see right here, my mining just started again. Okay guys, so that's how you're gonna be earning from this website, and I'm gonna be showing you guys another trick right here. Okay guys, so this website usually doesn't like have any strong security system right here. Okay guys, so you can make like multiple like accounts on this website. Okay guys, so when you go to the referral right here, okay guys, as you can see right here, referral reward is actually what 10%. Okay guys, so you're gonna be getting 10% profit from every referral. Okay guys, so you're gonna be making what multiple accounts with different Dogecoin addresses. When you go to Trust Wallets right now, you're gonna be creating you can create more than 20 what wallets over there. So you're gonna be using different Dogecoin wallet addresses to sign up for this account, and you're gonna be getting profits on each of them. Okay guys, so that's a tip of how you're gonna be getting more on this website. When you want more tips like this, make sure you click the subscribe button down below, and also turn on the notification button so that you don't miss important information like this. Okay guys, so when you come to the withdraw button right here, you're gonna see withdraw to your Dogecoin address, and as you can see right here, they also said what minimum withdrawal is 10 Dogecoin. Okay guys, so you have to get 10 Doge in your internal wallet before you can withdraw on this website. Okay guys, so they just already inputted your Dogecoin address right there. You just have to enter the amount you want to withdraw, and just tap on the withdraw button right here, and you're gonna be getting your earnings instantly inside your wallet. Okay guys, so that's how you're gonna be making money on this website. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also like this video. Peace.